Hello ladies and gents, and welcome back to Martin's Assembly Haven. Today's build is inspired by one of the most iconic sci-fi franchises ever made. This is the Terminator Hound from Mostarl, a highly detailed metal model that's packed with intricate parts and mechanical detail. So let's unbox it, build it, and see if it's worthy of joining the collection. By the way, that is one shiny box. We've got instructions with 26 pages of detailed steps. We've got needle nose pliers. We've got a 2-head screwdriver. We've got a 4-way cross socket wrench. We've got LED lamp as the hound's head. I've never seen one of these before, so this is awesome. Check this out. There's quite the delay, by the way, when you turn it off. Yep, but that is super awesome. And last but not least, we've got hundreds of metal pieces. I really hope you enjoyed this build, so please make sure you leave a like, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and go and check out this model on Mostarl website. There's a link down below in the description and the comment section, and remember, use my promo code MARTINS to receive 10% off on everything. And let's begin. and the Terminator Hound has been completed. Overall, I think this is a fantastic looking model once it's finished. It's solid, has a really nice weight to it, the sniper rifle can be easily removed because of magnets, and the level of detail is excellent. That said though, I think the building experience could be improved. There were a few assembly steps that weren't as clear as they should be, and some sections took much longer than necessary because of that. So if you're considering this kit, I'd recommend it more for experienced builders who don't mind taking their time and troubleshooting along the way. But once it's finished though, it's definitely an impressive display piece. Just one more thing, I kinda wish that the head lifted a bit higher. I think it's just slightly too low. But anyways, I really hope you all have enjoyed this video, so please make sure you leave a like, subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and go and check out this Hound and other models by Mostral down below. There's a link in the description and the comment section, and remember, use my promo code MARTINS to receive 10% off on everything. Thank you so much for watching, I shall see you all next time, bye for now.